Welcome students. So this is our second question of question series for NEET. Okay. So let's start now. This is a question of center of mass which came in AIPMT 2015. Okay. So let's read the question. Two spherical bodies of mass m and 5m of radii r and 2r are released in free space with initial separation between their centers equal to 12r. If they attract each other due to gravitational force only, then the distance covered by the smaller body before collision is okay. So though spheres हैं m मास और 5m मास के और उन दोनों के सेंटर्स के बीच का गैप दिया हुआ है 12r. ओके, एंड देयर इज ओनली ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. सो वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द डिस्टेंस covered by the smaller body before collision, and these are the options here. And r is the radius of this smaller sphere and 2r is the radius of this heavy sphere. Okay, so let's start now. First of all, we will see that at the time of collision, centers of these spheres will not come in direct contact, but particle A and particle B will come in contact at the moment of collision. Okay, so it is written here. Okay, here center of mass sphere will not come in contact at the moment of collision, but particle A and B will come in direct contact. So here we will see that where is the center of mass of particle A and B. At that center of mass, A and B will come in direct contact. Okay. So let mass of A is small m and mass of particle B is 5m. Because here we know that both the objects are uniform. So here ratio wise we can say that if mass of A is m, then mass of B will be 5m. Okay, and both will collide at the center of mass of A and B. So here we are going to find out center of mass of A and B. Okay, and as we know that xm is equal to m1x1 plus m2x2 upon m1 plus m2, and because here there is no external force on this system, so displacement of center of mass will be 0 here. Okay, so when we will put 0 here, then this equation will convert in this form. It means m1x1 plus m2x2 is equal to 0. Okay, so now let distance of center of mass of A and B. From A is x, so from B it will be 9r minus x. Okay, and these x1 and x2 are in vector form. Okay, so if x is taken positive, then definitely 9r minus x will be taken negative, because this particle will move in opposite direction. Okay, so here 0 is equal to mx plus mass of m2 is 5m and x2 will be minus of 9r minus x. Okay, solving this we will get 45r minus 5x is equal to x, and after this we will get 6x is equal to 45r, so x will be 7.5r. It means this is the distance covered by particle A, and because it is a solid object, so center of smaller object will cover 7.5r, the same distance as covered by particle A. Okay, so answer is option C. Okay, 7.5r. Thank you. Thanks a lot.